answer. Please choose true or false. We get up in the evening. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Finished?
Yes.
False, false, false. Good, very good, correct. Next one. They watch TV on the lesson. True or false? True, false, false. They watch TV on the lesson. It is false, false. False. Your answer is incorrect. Correct? Correct. 1 point, 1 point. We go to school from Monday to Friday. True or false? Please talk together. Please talk. Seconds. We go to school from Monday to Friday. Finish. Finish. Your answer? Your answer? False. Your answer? True. False. We go to school from Monday to Friday. It is true. True. When do you eat your breakfast? Your team has 1 point, yeah? When do you eat your breakfast? In the afternoon? In the morning? In the evening? Okay, finish. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the morning. Your answer is incorrect. Incorrect. Breakfast. We have breakfast in the morning. Morning is correct. What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? Finish. She is watching TV. She is watching TV. She is watching TV. Correct. Very good. Okay. We get up in the evening. False. They watch on the TV on the lesson. False. We go to school from Monday to Friday. True. True. When do you eat your breakfast? In the morning. What is she doing? She is watching TV. Very good. Okay. Do you know Jeopardy? Jeopardy, do you know? Yes. Now you will answer the questions. There are 2 columns, word and question. 1 point, 2 point, 1 point, 2 point. She Please read. She watches TV. All team answer incorrect. Next, 2 points. We basketball after lesson. Finish. Please read.
We play basketball after lesson.
Very good.
She plays basketball after class.
She plays. We plays. Sorry. Please read.
We play basketball after lesson.
Sorry. Please look. We play basketball after lesson. Your team is very good. 2 points. You have 2 points. Next, question. Answer the question. When do you eat dinner? When do you eat dinner? A, B, C. Finish. Finish. Please read. In the evening.
In the evening.
In the evening.
In the evening.
Very good. Very good. Very good. In the evening. You have 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Finish. Please read. Stand up. Please read.
He is changing clothes.
He is changing clothes. Please read.
He is changing clothes.
He is changing clothes.
He is changing clothes.
He is changing clothes. Very good. Very good. 2 pointers. 2 pointers. 2 pointers. Okay. Okay. Now please add pointers of total. Please add pointers. This right. Please write.
Yes.
Okay. How many points are there in your team? There are 17 points. Very good. There are 17 points. Very good.
14.
There are 14 points. Very good. Good work. Good work. Thank you very much, all the students. Thank you very much. Do homework. Do homework. Please write your daily activities. Do you understand?
Yes.
Please write daily activities in the notebook. Okay.